Welcome to another important video session. This is Dr. Arul Jothi. In this video, I'll introduce you about an important top-level competitive exam, GATE, otherwise called as Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. This is a national level entrance exam conducted across almost all disciplines. If you see, this exam has been conducted by various IITs and IISc. Different IITs conduct each year, and the latest examination in 2022 was conducted by IIT Kharagpur. What is GATE? GATE is an examination that primarily tests the comprehensive understanding of various undergraduate subjects in engineering and science for admission into the master's program and recruitment by some public sector companies even. Qualifying GATE is a mandatory requirement for seeking admission or financial assistance to getting admission into master's programs and direct doctoral programs in engineering, technology and architecture. How this exam is conducted? Totally, there are 29 disciplines or subjects or papers in GATE, and all the test papers of GATE will be entirely of objective type so far. We don't know if they might change in future, but as of now they conducted the exams by mode of an objective type. And the patterns of questions will include some multiple choice questions where they'll give 4 answers and you have to pick one right answer. 4 choices and you have to pick one right answer. While the remaining questions may include some multiple select questions, which means there can be more than one right answer. So you have to select all the right answers, something like that. And there can be numerical answer type questions. And interestingly, GATE allows you to take even 2 subjects. Normally all the competitive exams they'll give you open the choice so that you can take only one paper, whereas GATE you can take 2 papers of your interest, and one can be your primary paper and other can be additional paper, because some people are experts or they are well versed in 2 different disciplines. So GATE even gives an opportunity for you to attend exams in both the papers, but the dates and the selection of subjects are based on the availability of the dates. If both the papers are coming on the same date, you may not be able to appear for the exams, but if they come on 2 different dates, you can probably apply for both the exams. And the combinations also allowed. Only if they permit you to take the combination, only then you can take the combination. With respect to the life science graduates, we have 2 options. One is writing the biotechnology paper, which will include general aptitude plus bioprocess and basic biotechnology subjects like molecular biology, RNA technology and immunology, like that. And there's an additional option where you can take life science. Life science is generally mostly preferred by the science graduates, where they do biochemistry as the major, or botany as the major, or microbiology or zoology as a major. They mostly choose life science as their primary choice. But for engineering graduates who perform biotechnology or genetic engineering, they mostly prefer biotechnology as a major paper. But if you have interest in microbiology or biochemistry, you can choose life science as a choice. So these 2 papers, these 2 combination, biotechnology and life science, are actually allowed in GATE examination. So there is a chance that you can take or choose this combination. Eligibility criteria. Who are eligible to appear in this exam? Firstly, a candidate who is currently doing 3rd year or higher years. of any degree, undergraduate program, or who has already completed any government approved program in engineering, technology, science, architecture, or eligible to appear in GATE exam. Generally, GATE provides 2 or 3 years of validity. That's why graduates from students who are doing the third year are even eligible, because if you even clear during your third year, the score will be valid for 2 years or sometimes 3 years. So even after clearing the third year, you will be still be able to apply for your master's or PhD after 2 years. That's the whole point of having the 3 years validity. That's why you can apply from third year, and there is no age limit. Remember, you can even apply for GATE exams after you complete your post graduation. Even for PhD funding, as I told you in my previous slide, even for applying for PhD, you might need a GATE as an eligibility criteria, and some agencies are funding even for your PhD with valid GATE score. And how about the examination? This examination happens for 3 hours. The duration is for 3 hours, and as I told you, we have 29 subjects and multiple choice questions, multiple select questions, and numerical type questions we have. And normally they test you if you can recall the concepts, if you can comprehend the ideas, and if you can apply the principles, and if you can analyze and synthesize the ideas. That's what they test you in the aptitude test and subject. And next, they have general aptitude questions for 15 marks and engineering maths for 13 marks, and the remaining will be from the subject. So while you prepare for GATE, you have to focus on the general aptitude area and some engineering mathematics and mostly of subjects. Next aspect is what do they look for you? Sorry. Next aspect is how much marks do the questions carry. Some questions carry 1 mark and some questions will be for 2 marks. And also GATE has negative marking system. If you answer anything wrong, they will cut 1/3 of your mark in 1 marks. From 1 mark questions, if you do something wrong, they'll cut 1/3. And in 2 mark questions, if you do something wrong, they deduct 2/3 of the marks from the right answers. So you have to be very careful while you write the exam not to write anything that you're not very confident, not to answer anything that you're not very confident. How does this process works? First thing, the candidates must register and fill the application via online portal through the designated GATE website. Every year it keeps changing, so based on the host institution, the website will change. That you will know eventually when you see the advertisement. And the entire process of filling up application form and uploading certificates and documents is through online mode only. And next thing is you have to pay the application fee through electronic mode. And remember, if you are appearing for 2 different papers, you have to pay twice. Yeah. And the last part is once everything is done, you can download your admit card and you can keep it safe. And in admit card, you'll get to know where is your center and what's the timing and everything. So you can download the admit card and you can keep it safe even after the exam, because you need that admit card as a proof of appearing to receive the certificates in the future. What are the advantages of qualifying GATE? Several public sector undertakings have used GATE score to shortlist the candidate for the employment. Remember, qualifying GATE is always an advantage. It's an added advantage compared to your peers. Okay, wherever you go, that will be helping you to boost your points in interview or anything. Okay, and some groups even they directly recruit based on the GATE scores. And importantly, for the undergrads and postgrads, if you are trying to seek admission for masters or for doctoral program, this is an important one to get into admission in India. with financial support. If you get an admission for doctoral degrees in central universities and research institutes, they'll recognize this gate score, and they'll provide you with financial support. And for students who are looking for master's admission, many private universities and government universities are giving stipend for the master's program if you have GATE qualification. So please try and make use of this wonderful opportunity. If you have anything to ask, you can always post in comments. And thank you for watching. I hope this session was useful to you, and I'll come up with a new different competitive exam in my next video. Thank you and see you.